departmental chiefs, directors, senior officers, our gallant Invictus Games participants. How is the morale? Are we good to go? Are we motivated? Fantastic. Members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pride and honor that I stand before you today to celebrate the extraordinary achievement of our Nigerian heroes who represented our nation at the Invictus Games 2025 here in Vancouver, Canada. The Invictus Games, founded by Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, is more than just a sporting event. It's a testament to the resilience, courage, and the indomitable spirit of service members who have faced physical and mental challenges in line of their duty. Today, we gather to honor our Nigerian participants who have not only competed but have also inspired us all with their determination and strength. To our brave participants, you have shown the world that what it means to rise above adversity. Your participation in these games is a reflection of your unwavering commitment to excellence, even in the face of challenges. Each of you has demonstrated the core values of the Nigerian forces: courage, discipline, and resilience. You have not only represented Nigeria on the global stage, but have also become ambassadors of hope and perseverance. Your stories of triumph are a source of inspiration to millions both at home and abroad, especially to our service personnel that are out there in the field, toiling day and night, fighting insurgency, terrorism, and all acts of criminality. They are all proud of you also. The Invictus Games remind us of the transformative power of sports in the rehabilitation and recovery of wounded, injured, and sick-serving personnel. You've heard what they've said. Some of them never thought they could do any other thing when they got injured. They thought life was over, but this gave them a new lease of life. And to all those who are also serving, know that whatever it is that happens to them, the Nigerian Armed Forces and the federal government will never abandon their own. I understand one of us here, one of the participants is a PhD holder. Who is that? Congratulations. That shows the can-do spirit of a Nigerian. Through sports, we see the healing of minds, the rebuilding of confidence, and the restoration of purpose. I commend the organizers of the Invictus Games for creating a platform that fosters camaraderie, unity, and a sense of belonging among participants from across the globe. This event has not only strengthened international bond, but has also highlighted the shared experiences of service members worldwide. During these events, over 22 countries participated. Most of them came with their family members to support them, and their country strongly behind them. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Nigerian government, especially Mr. President, for always being there for members of the armed forces, the National Security Advisor, the Ministers of Defense, and all stakeholders who supported our team's participation in these games, especially in the unconquered Africa. Your commitment to the welfare of our service members is deeply appreciated. To the families and loved ones of our participants, your unwavering support has been instrumental in their journey. You have stood by them through thick and thin, and today we celebrate your sacrifices as well. We also want to specifically mention General T.Y. Danjuma, who has continued to support members of the armed forces. He single-handedly have contributed so much in the proposed Invictus Center that is to be constructed. We want to appreciate him and thank him for all he has done and all he has continued to do for members of the armed forces and for the nation in general. As we celebrate the achievement of our team, let us also remember the sacrifice made by all service members in line of our duty. Let us continue to honor their service by providing necessary support and resources to ensure their well-being and successful reintegration into civilian life. For me, as the Chief of Defense Staff, this is a clarion call that whatever it takes to raise the morale of our troops, we will do it, whatever the cost is, because we know once the troops see what we are doing with those that are injured, they will want to give their best because they know if anything happens to them, they will also be taken care of. I've had comments from individuals across, mostly from the pit of ignorance, to the aspect that why are we taking troops? And I wonder if you see those ones that have sacrificed so much, we have lost those ones that have died. If you see those ones that are here, some double amputated, legs, hands, and somebody thinks it is not important or it's not good for us to look after them. Those other countries that sent their own were not doing it just because they wanted name, but because they knew the importance. So sometimes when we go to school, we should read deep and allow schools to also pass through us. On the issue of the denial of the visa, we mustn't travel abroad. Nigeria is good enough for all of us. We had an agreement, we were invited, a program was sent, we forwarded our requirements, we followed the process. Everybody knows members of the armed forces will never take shortcuts. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of State, the NSA, everybody is aware about this journey, and we followed the process, but for reasons best known to them. Most of the teams, you remember, the team captain did not go, the medical doctor was not there, the physiotherapist did not go. All those that were important for the team were not given visas. And the question is why? Well, I'm happy that the federal government is also looking at those aspects. I think it's important for people to understand that we deserve respect as Nigerians all over the world. And we must never accommodate disrespect from anybody, because we're a great country. To our Invictus Games participants, you have made Nigeria proud. Your courage and determination have left an indelible mark on the hearts of all who have witnessed your journey. You are true embodiments of the Invictus spirit, unconquered, unbroken, and unstoppable. Thank you, and may God bless the Nigerian forces. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.